Hi everyone, it's Morgan from Fill Up Paper, and I am here with a little haul video and also setting up my bullet journal. Yeah, that's kind of what this whole video is going to be about. So I did a couple of little planner orders just after Christmas. Some of the Australian planner girls, sticker makers and whatnot had a bit of a Boxing Day sale, so I ordered a few bits and pieces, and this is what I got. So first up, this was from Pedal's print shop, and I got some traveler's notebook things. So this is the meal planner. It's got your shopping list and then your weekly meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, whatever. So that'll be really handy. And then I got these two, which are, it's the second half of the year, this is the first half of the year. So this is January to June, and you get the monthly spread like that. And then this is the weekly spread like that. Now I use these ones, last year I used a mixture of Me and My Big Ideas planner and a traveler's notebook. This year I'm going to be doing a traveler's notebook and a bullet journal. So this will probably be for all my YouTube stuff, my craft stuff, deadlines, design team, things like that. So that's what I use these for, and then my bullet journal, which I'll show you shortly, will be for all my day-to-day family stuff. It'll be left out so people can kind of see that. Next up, I ordered this from the Traveler's Notebook on Etsy, and I needed a new Traveler's Notebook cover because I've only got one, and it was can't remember the brand, Recollections one maybe, from Spotlight. So I wanted to order myself a really nice one. So this is a dark brown leather one, and it comes like this with this little charm on it, which my son said was a map. He thinks it's a treasure map, and I can't read it because it's in another language, or it's not even words, I'm not sure. So we got that, and then it came with two blank cream inserts, which are really, really handy. Always need more of those, and I absolutely love this. It feels so nice and soft. So I got that. Then I ordered two stamp sets, and unfortunately by accident she accidentally sent me the same stamp set twice, and that happens. I understand, it's pretty easy to do. So I did send her an email and let her know that I got two of the same, so she's going to send me out another one, and because she's so super kind, she said that I can give one of these away. I didn't need to send it back, although I did offer to send it back. She said I could do one of these as a giveaway, or give it to a friend or whatnot. So I've decided I will do a giveaway on this channel. So what I want you to do is leave me a comment below. What can you tell me about? You can tell me what sort of planner you're using this year. Yeah, that's what you need to do. Leave a comment below with what sort of planner you're going to be using, and I will draw a winner. What day is today? Today's Wednesday, so I will draw a winner next Thursday. So you've got 1 week to get your entries in. I'll leave the information below, and you can win yourself this stamp set. It is from Me and My Big Ideas, and it doesn't actually really say, it just says stamps. So this one's got fitness on it, and then some check boxes and things like this. This is kind of a bit more of a fitnessy workout sort of a log, I think. But yeah, so leave a comment below with what planner you're using, and I'll do that draw next Thursday. And because she's so lovely, she threw in these two washi tapes. This one is blue flamingos, and this says Simple Day on it, and this one is white with flamingos, and say Hello Flamingo. So those were just thrown in, and she also threw in a really, really sweet little pink pencil case that had some of this flamingo on it, but my son's already taken that, claimed it as his own. So I don't have that to share with you, but it was in there and it was fabulous, so thank you very much for that. Next, I ordered from Lime and Mortar, and I got this, can't even think of what that is. like when you mark it off, things that you got to do each week or each day. I got some Taco Tuesday stickers, some back to school stickers, family time, and I got these in the multiple colour shopping trolleys, multiple colour popcorn, because we always have a movie night each week. As you can see, I have used a couple of these already. And then these were just a little freebie thrown in, which was super cute. I love these. And I've ordered from Lime & Water before, but I have not ordered from Studio Kylie before, so I thought I'd give these a go. And these stickers, they feel amazing. They're not glossy, but they're kind of more like a vinyl, which is really, really awesome. I didn't actually read what they were made out of, so that was a big surprise for me, and I really like it. So I got the weekend ones, I got the checkbox ones, I got a to-do list one, and I like to color code my weeks, so that's why I got these all the same, so I can use the same colors for my weeks. Some scales, because I do need to lose a little bit of weight this year on one of my goals. Things. This one was just a mini sample sheet that she threw in, which is so cool. I might actually get one of these now that I've seen it in person. I really like it. Then I got some wheelie bin stickers. I got the red, yellow and green because that's what we use. A little thank you. Oh, 2 little thank you. So I got 3 little thank you ones. So there we go. Those were the little freebies that she threw in there. So that was all from that haul, the Boxing Day sale. Then I saw Deb had posted a video of her unboxing this bullet journal. They call it a, what did they call it? I can't remember. They called it a dot planner or something like that. I might leave a link to Deb's channel below where she did an unboxing of it. This is from Big W here in Australia, and it came with the planner, this ruler which has all these stencil cutout shapes on it, 3 pens, gold, silver and a black, a sticker sheet which I probably won't use, but it's pretty cool. And it also came with a roller washi tape, and I don't know where that's gone. My son's probably absconded with that too. So I saw Deb unbox this and decided that I want one as well, of course, as you do. And yeah, I might do the walkthrough of this as all part of this video. I won't do a separate one. I'll just go walk through it really quickly, and then I will let you know that I will be doing, or trying to do, weekly Plan With Me spreads as of next week. So there we go. So the title page, got an index page. Well, that'll probably run over 2 pages, so that's why that one's blank. I've got my key, and then this one I left blank because I wanted to put a quote on there, but I haven't quite found the right quote. Or I know what I want, but I can't remember the exact wording, so I've got to go find that. Then this is how I've set out my year. So 3 months on each page. Got my little key at the top, and I'm probably going to do some doodles or some stickers or something along the top there. And that's the second half of the year. The only thing I don't like about these is that the colours bleed through because they're thin pages, but I love the overall concept. So it's our travels page because we want to do a little bit of travelling or visiting places and just getting out and experiencing the world, or Australia mainly. We're not going overseas this year. That's that one. Books, I want to read more books. My goal is to read at least 1 book a month, and there's a few extra on there as well. TV and movies, so we actually just finished watching a movie today. We watched the new Jumanji, so I might have to pop that in there as the first movie that we've watched this year. And then I also want to record some of the shows that I watch because I forget sometimes. If I don't binge watch an entire series in one day, I forget. My goals for the year, which I haven't filled in because I knew I was going to film this and I didn't want to put them on there. My fitness and weight loss. And then I've also started rewarding myself this year. So when I do certain things throughout the year, I get little treats for myself. And this is to check off my fitness tracker. Oh, that's what that sticker was. It's a tracker sticker. So that's this one. That tracker sticker I want to use in my traveler's notebook to track things on my YouTube channel. This is our spending and saving. So I wanted to do a couple of no spend months. I want to do a photo challenge this year. Decluttering. I'm trying to get rid of some more rubbish out of the house, and my goal is to get to 1,000 pieces out of the house. I've already done 230 items. I did that on the 2nd of January, so I was quick off the mark, and I've actually got a couple more I've got to add on there, probably another 10. So that's pretty cool. Good start to the year on that one. These two were for some other challenges that I might want to do throughout the year. I don't know, they're blank, otherwise I can put some inspirational quotes there. That's just our budget, and then this is my monthly overview, so that's how I've done my calendar, and then the things I need to do this month, and then notes and whatnot for January, and then these are my weekly spreads. So as I said, I will try and excuse me, I will try and do some plan with me videos. Hopefully, actually there might already be one up by the time I do this, because this should be live on Wednesday, and I should have a plan with me going up on Monday, so it might be up before then. So this is how I've used some of my stickers, and this is kind of how my weekly layouts will be. Yeah, and that's kind of how I'm using my bullet journal. As I said, I will leave a link to the stores that I've mentioned here, and also to Deb's video where she unboxes this in the whole package. You can have a bit more of a look at it. And don't forget to leave a comment below with what planner you're using this year, and be in the draw to win this beautiful stamp set. And it is open internationally, so anyone can enter. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!